Welcome to Naroj Masters Academy. In this video, I am going to explain you that TSSSC Public Examination Model Paper 1 of Physical Science with new syllabus and new pattern. Look at the model paper here. In this paper, we have part A and part B consist of 40 marks. The time is 1 hour 30 minutes. So read the instructions carefully first. Read and understand the question paper. Answer the questions under part A on a separate answer book and write the answers to the questions under part B on the question paper itself and attach it to the answer book of the part A. Part A contains three sections 1, 2, 3. Write the answers the following. The instructions given in the each sections. Look at the first section here. In part A, part A consists of 30 marks. In part A section 1, it consists of 6 marks. So answer any three questions of the following 6 questions. You will get 6 questions in this section. You have to answer any three. So each question carries 2 marks. Look at the first question. Predict and write the reason why the value of the distance of object is always negative in the mirror equation. And this question is from your chapter 1. Take some water in a test tube and add the concentration H2SO4 to it and shake the test tube well. If you touch the bottom of the test tube, you feel it as hot. Now, instead of H2SO4, if you add NaOH pellets to the water in another test tube and touch the bottom of the test tube, and what do you observe and why? This is related to second chapter and as well as third chapter. So this is acid-base solution or chemical equation, we can say. So based on second chapter and third chapter. Write the chemical formula of washing soda, baking soda, and give their uses. This is from third chapter. There is acid, bases, and salts. So this question is from salt family. Which energy we get from electric motor? Write two daily life applications of electric motor. This is from chapter 9. Electric current. Give an example. Give an example with chemical equations for the reduction of ore using more reactive metals. This is from chapter 11, principle of metallurgy. Two convex lenses of the same focal length are fixed on a PVC pipe, polyvinyl chloride pipe at a distance of double their focal length. What happens a boy see if a boy see the moon with that arrangement? So this is from your chapter 4. Refraction of light at curved surfaces. So this is the lens topic. Okay, this is your section 1. You have to attempt any 3 questions. Answer 3 questions, any 3 out of 6. So this section consists of 6 marks. 3 to the 6 marks. Look at the section 2. Answer any 2 questions of the following 4 questions. Each question carries 4 marks. In this section, we have 4 questions. We have to attempt any 2. So each question carries 4 marks. 5 solutions A, B, C, D, and E, when tested with the universal indicator, showed pH value 4, 1, 11, 7, and 9 respectively. Classify the solutions as given below. Solution A neutral, solution B strongly alkaline, solution C strongly acidic, and D weakly acidic, and E weakly alkaline. So this question is from your acid base solutions, acid base and salts chapter, that is chapter 3. Look at the next question. Write the required materials and experimental procedure for the experiment. Hydrochloric acid reacts with zinc pellets and liberates H2 gas. This is from your chapter 2, activity 3. When any metal reacts with hydrochloric acid. And this question is also related to the chapter 3. So this is related to chapter 2 and chapter 3. Write the physical method used for the concentration of ore. Explain the method used for concentration of sulfide ore. So this is from your principle of metallurgy, chapter 11. Look at the next question. Write the postulates of and limitations of Bohr hydrogen atomic model. So this is your from structure of atom chapter, chapter 6. So this out of 4 questions you have to attempt any 2. Then you will get 8 marks. Look at the section 3. Again, in this section, we have 4 questions. We have to attempt any 2 out of 4. So each question carries 8 marks. Write the general reaction of acid with carbonates and metal hydrocarbonates. Draw the neat diagram showing the above reaction. This is from your chapter 3, 8 marks. And draw the ray diagram to find the image when an object is placed in front of the lens. This is not from your first chapter. The lens means 4th chapter. Chapter 4. At a distance of 8 centimeter and at a distance of 10 centimeters principal on the principal axis of convex lens. So it is biconvex lens whose focal length is given 4 centimeter. Write the characteristics means properties of the image in both cases. So this is from your refraction of light at curved surfaces. This is lens refraction. So 12 volts battery. By seeing this 12 volts battery, we can say that this question is from your electric current chapter. That is chapter 9. Electric current. Connected in a circuit, and to this 4 ohms and 12 ohms resistors are connected in parallel, and 3 ohms resistor is connected in series to this arrangement. Draw the electric current and draw the electric circuit for this information and find the current flowing through this circuit. Okay, this is from your chapter 9. And how the elements arranged in groups and periods in the modern periodic table. Elements in a groups possess similar properties, but in periods do not show similarities in their properties. Why? So by seeing this only, we can say that the periodic table. So this is your chapter 7. Chapter 7, that is classification of elements in the periodic table. So out of these 4 questions, we have to attempt any two questions. So from chapter 3, chapter 4, chapter 9, and chapter 7. So look at the part B. Part B consists of 10 marks, and it will. So you will get the question paper. Part B paper at last 15 minutes of the exam time. So all questions should be answered. Each question carries 1 mark. Answer had to be written in the question paper itself. Marks will be not given for the overwriting. Even if you write the option A, comma B like this, for the first question, answer A, comma B. So you won't get any marks for this question. So you have to attempt only one option. And rewriting and erased answers. Even if you erase these answers, then also you won't get any marks. Okay. Now look at the first question. Write the capital. First option is given here. Instruction. Write the capital letters of the correct answers in the bracket provided against each question. So here options given clearly. A option is in the capital, B in capital, C in capital, D in capital. So you have to attempt. You have to write in capital letters only. Even if you attempt write like this, then also you won't get any marks. So you have to write in capital letters. So here instructions given clearly. If you do not follow the instructions, then you won't get marks. Look at the first question. Which of the following metal reacts with both acid and base, releases in a hydrogen gas? So this is acid base chapter. So again, this is from your third chapter, chapter 3. And what is the chemical formula of Slakul lime? So this is, we can say, from second chapter as well as third chapter. Second chapter, simply we can say Slakul lime. So this is the answer. This is from your second chapter. Where should an image form when object is placed on the principal axis in front of the concave mirror? Concave mirror means first chapter, reflection of light at curved surfaces, chapter 1. Which part of eye controls? Eye controls the intensity of light while entering into eye. So this is from your human eye and colorful world, chapter 5. According to the above principle, by seeing this above principle only, we can say that this is from your chapter 6. Electrons enter first into which of the following orbital? So we know that Hund's rule, above principle, and Moeller chart. By Moeller chart, we can say that so electrons enter into the according to the energy level. So this is from your chapter 6. Now look at the next question. Question number 6. Which of the following helps to convert an atom into ions? So mass number, nuclear charge, number of neutrons, number of protons. This is from your either 7th chapter or 8th chapter, we can say. So for this academic year, 8th chapter is not there. So this is related to 7th chapter. So nuclear charge, atomic number, mass number, number of neutrons, number of protons. So this is from your 7th chapter. Which of the following device converts mechanical energy into electrical energy? We know that generator is the mechanical device which converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. So this is from your electric current, chapter 9. On adding 2 ml of sulfuric acid to 10 ml of water, which of the following observation is true? So this is a sulfuric acid solution and water. This is from your 2nd chapter, chemical equation, chapter 2. Convex mirror is used as convex mirror. Mirror means this is from your chapter 1. We know that convex mirror is used as a rear view mirror. And a Daubrenier triad in the following is Daubrenier triad is related to your chapter 7. So these are the questions related to your new pattern syllabus, and this is a new model paper 1. So to get more model papers, please subscribe to my channel, and if you want the PDF of this question paper, click on the link given in the description box and download the question paper and practice well. All the best for your exam. Thank you.